Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yusri. Please, if you're new to my channel, kindly go subscribe, and if you're already on this channel, please kindly like this video and comment making money online in the comment section below, so that I will know you're watching this video, and that will prompt me to make more video on how to make money online. With that being said, let's get started. So the website we'll be talking about today is called picoworkers.com. A lot of you might have been hearing about picoworker, but you don't know what the site is all about. So the site is like a freelancing website where you get paid to perform some simple tasks ranging from signing up on a website, liking a Facebook post, watching a YouTube video, and the like. So all you have to do is go to picoworkers.com, then click on the sign up button to get started. So you click on the sign up button, then you fill the form here. Let's say. So you put in your real name here, you type your real name, then your email, then the password you would like to use, then you choose your nickname, then you choose your country. It works worldwide. Yes, that's good. So you select your country, then select I'm a worker, then you agree to the Pico Worker terms and services. So after that, you can tick if you want them to sending you news, events, and offer in your email. So you can tick the second box. So after then, you click on sign up. So I already have an account on this platform. So right now we are inside of my account. As you can see, I've earned 0.09 cents. So there are friends or jobs you can work on this platform and earn money. And you can see at the top here, right, you can see switch to employer here at the top here. So it means you can also change your profile to an employer's profile if you want people to work for you. Maybe you want people to like your YouTube video, you want people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, you want people to like your social media posts, you want people to sign up on a website you are affiliating for, and the likes. Anything you want people to do for you, you can switch to the employer's page and post a job you want people to do for you. But right now we are working, our profile is to be on the workers profile because we want to work here and earn money. And if you also check at the top here as well, you will see gigs, and you can see it is new. So it is a new function introduced to Pico Workers. So here on gigs, it's just like, let us see, browse gigs. It's just like all these freelancing websites, Fiverr and Upwork, People Power, and the likes like that. Other freelancing websites. So here as well, you also browse freelancing job, which you can do, and also you can also post job as well. So as you can see here, I will design amazing YouTube thumbnail at the price of $2.10. I'll be your personal and professional graphics designer. So you can also post a job here as well, and you can also freelance with your skills. Yes, so that's it. But today we are working as a micro worker. So let's go back to micro jobs. Let's go back home. Sorry, let's go to find job. So these are list of jobs available. If you can't find anything you can do here, you can click on category and check different jobs, maybe the one you have idea about. So you can see. So let's go for something right now. Twitter micro influencer. Let's go for TikTok. Apply. Let's see. TikTok micro influencer, and that's a follow request. So let's click on that. So to do this job, what is expected from worker is go to this TikTok link and follow the username that is bring up. Then you require proof that task was finished is your username. So all you need to do is submit your username here. So let's do the task. Let's copy the link and open on TikTok. So right now I'm done with the task. I have gone to the page and followed the users. So all I have to do now is submit my username at I am Yusri underscores. So that's my username on TikTok. So what I'll do now is submit proof. Task submitted successfully. So all we have to do, as you can see, the payment has been added to the pending tab. So all I have to do now is wait for the task to be reviewed, and after it has been reviewed, the pending payments will be added to the end payment. So that's how you work on picoworkers.com and get your money. And if you get enough money, your money will be in your wallet here. Then after you get enough money for withdrawal, then you can click on request withdrawal. As you can see, there are various ways in which you can withdraw your money, ranging from Litecoin payments, Bitcoin crypto payments, PayPal, Skrill, and Uphold. But the preferred method is PayPal. I know most of you will prefer PayPal or maybe Litecoin. So there are various ways in which you can withdraw your money here, and the minimum withdrawal is $5, in which you can earn in no time if you're serious with this. So that's all about picoworkers.com. Please, if you find any value in this video, kindly like this video, subscribe, and comment under Pico Worker, so that I will know that you watch this video, and that will make me drop more video on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.